Galactic bosses. YouTube is literally screaming at us right now. Searches for biggest galaxy in the universe just hit a red heart content gap, meaning thousands of people are typing it every hour and finding trash. Today, we end that suffering. We're counting down the top 5 largest, most terrifying galaxies ever discovered, and number 1 is so disgustingly huge, it's been cannibalizing other galaxies for billions of years. Like, it's at an all-you-can-eat buffet. If you're watching in the first hour, comment first right now, so I know the real ones are here. Double tap the screen if you're ready to have your brain melted. Let's go. Number 5, Alcyoneus. This thing doesn't even play by normal galaxy rules. It's a radio galaxy with lobes stretching 16.3 million light years end to end. That's 160 Milky Ways laid side by side. Imagine zooming out in space engine until our galaxy looks like a grain of sand, and you still can't fit Alcyoneus on screen. Its central black hole is firing twin plasma beams so powerful they've been expanding for millions of years and still haven't stopped. We only found it in 2022 because LOFAR radio telescope finally got strong enough. Astronomers literally said, "What the hell is this?" Comment how many times you had to zoom out before your brain broke. Number 4, Hercules A. In regular light, it's just a boring elliptical blob. Turn on X-rays and, oh my God, 2 plasma jets, each 1.5 million light years long, shooting out like Satan grew horns and decided to cosplay a galaxy. These jets are moving at 99% the speed of light and carving glowing scars across the cosmos. If one of those beams ever pointed at Earth for even a second, goodbye atmosphere. Real quote from an astronomer, "It looks evil." If you agree this is the most metal galaxy ever, spam demon in the comments right now. I'm reading every single one. Number 3, Malin 1, the galaxy that ghosted us for 40 years. Discovered in 1986, everyone thought it was tiny because it's so dim you need a PhD and a prayer to see it. Then JWST looked, and the disk is 650,000 light years wide, 6 times the Milky Way, but with the surface brightness of a black cat in a coal mine. It's the largest known spiral, and you can barely see it. Perfect alien hideout. If extraterrestrials wanted to park a Death Star-sized base and stay hidden, this is the address. Comment hidden base if you're packing your bags right now. Number 2, UGC 2885. NASA literally calls it the Godzilla Galaxy. 500,000 light years across. Up to 1 trillion stars. And it's so perfectly smooth, it barely has spiral arms, just a flawless disk of death. If you lived on the outermost planet, the galactic center would still be the brightest object in your night sky by far. It's been called the most perfect disk galaxy known. That perfection is terrifying. It's like the universe built a lightsaber the size of a galaxy. Comment which edge of Godzilla Galaxy you'd live on, inner rim or outer halo. Go. And now, the king. IC 1101. 1 billion light years wide. That's 10 Milky Ways edge to edge. 100 trillion stars, more than the number of grains of sand on every beach on Earth. It sits in the middle of Abell 2029, galaxy cluster like an emperor on a throne made of corpses. Its stellar halo alone is larger than some galaxy clusters. We've watched it rip apart and absorb hundreds of smaller galaxies, the remains still glowing as golden rivers feeding the beast. If you tried to fly across it at light speed the day the Big Bang happened, you'd still be less than halfway there. And JWST just found galaxies from when the universe was 300 million years old that might already be bigger, meaning IC 1101's crown could be stolen any day. Comment IC 1101 right now if this is the most terrifying thing you've ever heard. If this video hits 150K likes in 48 hours, next Saturday we drop the forbidden galaxies JWST wasn't supposed to find. Comment your favorite monster from today. Double tap if IC 1101 owns your Subscribe where the Cannibal Galaxies find your coordinates. Stay boss. Stay terrified. I'll see you in the void.